darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains.
See, so this is before or antes, and this family, look at this mess that they have right here, and this family has this control, solar control, very old, 20 amperes. So 20 amperes tiene este controlador solar. Si lo vamos a cambiar por otro diferente. Así que esta es la labor voluntaria que estoy haciendo para servir a la comunidad. Ok, gracias Solo Solar. ¿Ya? ¿Ya quedó? Hola, aquí pues ya después de haber trabajado como unas 2 horas, finalmente instalamos 2 baterías, 2 batteries, and we have the inverter right here. So the inverter is 800 watts and it's working right now. Let me show you. This is a blender of the people. See? It's working. So, thank you to Solo Solar for the donation. I show you. This solar panel is from Solo Solar. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, because you are helping these people. Now, some words. 2, 3.
Gracias, Solo Solar.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.